Right, another lovely day in the Philippines. So what I've done, guys, I've actually got the roof sealed. I went up, these other guys got me to buy some more sheets, and then I went on the roof and realized I didn't need them. The roof could be repaired, the other part of the roof, so God knows whether I needed it on the first part. I know two pieces needed replacing definitely, but I'm not sure about the other pieces I had to buy. But anyway, it's done, the roof's sealed now, so that's a good thing, that's progress. Before I go any further, I want to thank 2 subscribers of mine. One's a very good friend, and that's our friend Bill. Hi Bill. And we want to thank Marty. Thanks very much, my friend, really appreciate it. So as you can see, this roof has been changed. Now a family member said that the new two guys that can put me a new canopy up with the metal pieces that I had spare, because basically if I didn't use them I was going to get asked by somebody at some point to let them have it for free. As you know, that's what happens in the Philippines. So I told them what I wanted. I said I wanted the beams to come out here and come as far as the roof, so the roof helps support the roof. This roof, sorry, I've got to remember ceiling in roof and all that business. I wanted this roof to support this roof, so I wanted the beams that come from here to rest on here. Now this one I put on, I'm going to put another one on there. It is quite solid, there's no way that's going to move now, but that's what I'm getting to. Basically they cut short, as you can see here, right, and then they didn't get any other pieces of wood to support these while they were working on the roof. So this young guy was on the roof putting this first sheet on, and the whole thing just come away from the wall, and it was lucky I was there and I helped catch it to stop it coming down. And I mean, there's loads of kids come through here. If that had have fell on a kid, then I'm guessing I'd be in a lot of trouble, but luckily it didn't fall on anybody. So it's up now. The only thing is I've got to get some of that straight steel stuff to put in there, because at the minute it's leaking, obviously, because there's a gap there, so I've got to sort that out. We've been pretty busy with family stuff, so I've not been able to really do anything, to be quite honest. But because people were saying where's the videos, like it was getting to the point where I thought I better just do a quick video. So builder disappeared as usual, no explanation. He's back today, and I've told him to finish the toilet and the kitchen so we can get all this cleared and get some kind of sense of normality. So I'll just give you a quick look. So the toilet and the cistern is in. Just got to put the floor tiles on and then just finish it, clean it up, and then we're ready to paint, basically. But that's it. Progress is slow, but we are moving. So next minute I'm saying I don't want to do a lot to this. I've had enough. I just want to paint it, just paint it. and let's get all this stuff cleared up and get things set where they should be, and this, that and the other. That board is for, oh, I can show you that, can't I? These stairs are coming down within the next 2 days, as long as the builder turns up. Right, now you can see the side of that wall there. Now some of that's supposedly keeping the roof up, but obviously it's not, and that in between the wood is like metal, and that's the only thing that's keeping that up. If you touch it, it wobbles like crazy. So at some point I've got to sort that out. The roof, although sort of finished, is got to have some kind of siding put on, because it rained yesterday and I don't know where it come from, but a load of wind come from like nowhere, and I come up to have a look and it was blowing the corner piece, so I need to get some of that straight tin, like what you saw on the front that they didn't put down very well. I'm going to get some of that, and then I'm going to sort that out, and then what I'll do is I'll get this guy who's doing me toilet to sort this out when he's finished, because carpentry is what he does, so it'll be done properly. Famous last words, eh? But that's been it. We've been having other issues and problems not related to the upgrade of the property, which has been keeping us busy. So I've not really had time to do anything, and plus, like I say, I really wanted to show you some progress before I did another video, but there's quite a few people getting a little bit restless that I've not uploaded another video, so I thought I'd just do this. What we're going to do today is we're going to go and have a look at how much the air cons are, and as I said on a previous video, I want to put a kitchen cabinet up there. So we're going to see if we can get a kitchen cabinet. So that is what we're going to do today, and as soon as we've made a little bit more progress, we'll do another video and show you what's going off, because all this is driving me crazy. I need it all painted and tidied and finished, basically. So that's it, guys. Thanks for all your comments. Thanks to all my patrons who, you know, without you, don't know what we'd have done. Thanks so much. I can't thank my patrons enough, really. We're really appreciative. Thank you all so very much. And to all my subscribers, of course, who's been with me for a long time, we appreciate it. If you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe and hit the like button. Same to you guys, don't forget to hit the like button or the unlike button. Doesn't matter, it still all adds up, and we'll see you on the next video.